Let's explore different ways to express happiness, from beginner to advanced levels. Happy. Happy means feeling good, pleased, or joyful. I'm happy because. I'm happy because I got a new job. I feel happy when. I feel happy when I spend time with my friends. I'm happy about. I'm happy about my new job. I'm happy for. I'm happy for my friend's success. Glad. Glad means pleased or happy about something specific. Use it when you feel good about a situation. I'm glad about. I'm glad about how well the event went. I'm glad that. I'm glad that you could join us. I'm glad to. I'm glad to hear the good news. Pleased. Pleased means happy or satisfied with an outcome. I'm pleased about. I'm pleased about how my work turned out. I'm pleased with. I'm pleased with the results of the project. I'm pleased for. I'm pleased for my friend who won the award. Cheerful. Cheerful describes a naturally happy and positive attitude. She is in a cheerful mood today. You seem cheerful today, what's the good news? Delighted means very pleased or happy, often about a specific event. I'm delighted with. I'm delighted with how everything turned out. Thrilled. Thrilled means strongly excited or pleased. Thrilled with. I'm thrilled with the new phone I bought. Thrilled about. I'm thrilled about the upcoming concert. Thrilled to. I'm thrilled to be part of this project. Thrilled that. I'm thrilled that I passed the exam. Content describes peaceful happiness or satisfaction. Content with. I'm content with what I have. Content to. I'm content to just relax at home this weekend. Ecstatic. Ecstatic describes extreme happiness and excitement, often after receiving big news or achieving something important. Ecstatic about. She is ecstatic about her engagement. Elated. Elated means very happy, often after achieving something significant. Elated to. He was elated to see his family after years of living abroad. Elated with. He is elated with his performance in the competition. Felt elated when. I felt elated when my hard work was finally recognized. On cloud nine. The phrase on cloud nine expresses extreme happiness, often in response to something wonderful or surprising. She was on cloud nine all day. They're on cloud nine because they finally bought their dream home. He's been on cloud nine ever since he found out he got the job he wanted. Hearing the audience cheer made her feel like she was on cloud nine. I felt like I was on cloud nine after spending the weekend with my family. Thank you for watching.